Hey everybody, how's it going? I won't have too much video for you guys today because unfortunately we got a lot of rain last night and this morning. I really didn't think it was ever going to stop, but it finally did. Got out here and motor was still covered up. That was always a good thing, didn't get no rain in it. But still been cleaning on it. I'm gonna have to get something else to get some of these little tight spots and everything, and maybe some Brillo pads and some more oven cleaner. Because when I scrape it, I'm just, leaving a lot there. So, yep, get all the nooks and crannies and finish cleaning her up, and I'm going to get that main cap off in the rear, change the rear main seal. I also need to change this timing chain. I don't know if you see before, but it's got some slack in it for sure. And then we'll be ready to mask it off and throw some paint on it. Move on to the next step, which will be finally starting to pull everything out of the K10. So I hope you guys stick with me, and I'll keep at it. It's not supposed to rain anymore this weekend, so I'll be able to get a lot more done. Also, I want to add, I did get a P.O. box. I know a couple of you thought it was a good idea and everything, so I figured I'd go in and do it. I like to be able to get letters from you guys and stuff, and just be able to do little shout outs here and there. I think it'd be kind of neat to do. So I will leave the P.O. box address down below, and I'll go on and put it somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see it. Send me some pictures, a letter, anything you want. I'll be sure to do a little shout out in here every now and then, maybe once a week, or once I get enough mail to actually make a video out of it, if I do. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to work. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, buddy. Be careful. It's dirty. Ah, hey. No. Oh, he's gonna kill me. No. Hey, off of it. No. Oh. Whee! Oh, there's a game now, huh? Alright everybody, so I got the timing chain off, I got the oil pump off. I gotta go run some errands now. I'm gonna get a timing cover gasket, timing chain, a new one since that one has so much slack in it. I already got the rear main seal kit. I need to get an oil pan gasket, valve cover gaskets, intake gasket. I'm gonna have to get the gasket that goes in between the transfer case and the transmission. A few other things. Get some cleaner, get some Brillo pads so we can make it a little bit cleaner. I know some guys have said something about it. I would like to have the 700 R4, being it has the lower first gear and it does have overdrive. Unfortunately, 700 R4 that's in the truck is shot, and this is a 350 turbo right here that works fine. So good working 350 turbo, bad 700 R4. I'm going to go with what I have. Sorry this is going to be a short video. Like I said, we got rained out quite a bit this morning, and everything's been wet and just been miserable. So tomorrow's going to be a nice day. Should be able to get a lot done. I might take a break on this for a little bit and start going and pulling everything out of the K10. So I hope you guys stay tuned. I have some more video tomorrow and possibly Sunday. See what all I can get done.